Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw sa lahat ng Aries. Welcome back to my channel. And kung bago kayo, dito, ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno and welcome to my channel kung saan babasahan ko kayo ng inyong Tagalog love reading using tarot and oracle cards. Okay, I hope that this reading will resonate. Pero, just a reminder, if hindi man ito mag-resonate, huwag niyong pilitin. It means na hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to because this is a collective reading. And abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang collective reading. And another reminder sa lahat ng Aries na hindi ito yung inyong universal truth. Okay? So, meron kayong free will lagi at meron kayong kalayaan para gawin at piliin yung mga gusto nyong mangyari sa buhay. Okay? So, ang gagawin ko ngayon ay ang inyong weekly love reading. Okay? So, excited na rin ba kayo? So, ang mangyayari is, using this oracle deck, I will pull a card, and that will be the overall energy of the reading. And then, itong bagong tarot ko would be the details or the storyline of the reading, and the last oracle would be an advice from the universe. Na again, nasa sa inyo yun kung susundin nyo or hindi. Lahat tayo may free will, lahat tayo may sariling desisyon sa ating mga buhay. And huwag kayong mag-rely masyado din sa mga tarot reading, lalo na kung ito ay collective. If you want a personal reading, yung email ko nasa description box. So, send lang kayo ng email and pwede kayong mag-inquire doon paano ba yung aking personal reading. Okay? So, sige, simulan na natin. So, for this week, for February, ano ba ngayon? 8 ngayon. So, from February 9 hanggang February 15, okay? Naku, Valentine. Tatamaan ng Valentine's Day. Okay, so let's see. Ano ba yung reading for this Valentine week? Exciting. O sige, na-pre-shuffle ko naman na tong cards. Pero, shuffle ko lang ng 3 beses. At habang sinashuffle ko po to, please help my channel grow by liking this video. At syempre, subscribe na rin po kayo and share nyo na rin tong video na to sa iba pang Aries na kakilala nyo para mabigyan din sila ng guidance. Okay? And comment na rin kayo sa baba if mag-resonate tong reading na to. Maraming salamat! Okay? Sige. Cut ko lang. Okay. Since February ngayon, I'll pull the second card. Okay. Roses have thorns. Pain can be an awakening call. Sige. Let's see. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng card nito? Sorry kung may naririnig kayong squeaking yung upuan ko yun. Medyo may ano yung upuan niya. Okay. So, roses have thorns. So, pain can be an awakening call. I will soothe you and heal you. I will bring roses. I too have been covered with thorns. It's a quote from Rumi. And the reflection for this oracle card is This oracle comes to you like the scent of roses to draw you into a stream of ecstasy with a sense of being anointed and blessed. Rumi, the great mystic, is touching your soul, embracing and encouraging you to grow the joy you live to experience into consciousness. Every life is bound to face difficulty in the same way every rose has thorns. Spending time concentrating on what's right or wrong in this world does not lead to joy. No one says life is easy, but happy people tend to bounce through hard times with an attitude of clarity versus victimhood. You are invited to enjoy a healing shower of nectar from the light of love. Receive the good and the bad that comes your way with interest and let it penetrate your soul to loosen whatever binds you and holds you captive to your closed reality. By allowing your body to be the container that makes this practice possible, you will experience joy. Listen to the oracle and trust in the divine plan, be it as you expect or not. If you don't allow your body to accept and utilize what you have received, your soul will be in pain. It will not enjoy being imprisoned in a container that is not doing what it was made to do. And the mantra is, I am grateful for what I have, comfortable living in the now, and dream about the future. Okay. So, ang sinasabi dito is parang lahat naman tayo talaga may pinagdadaanan. Pero, hindi dapat tayo nagpapaka-victim sa situation. We have to choose healing and let love just flow into our heart. Para, lalo na, ngayong buwan at ngayong linggo ng mga puso, just open your heart. So, para pag binuksan niyo yung puso niyo, syempre, yung love, may chance na dumating at may chance na pumasok sa buhay ninyo. Okay? So, yung mga pinagdaanan nyo, take it as a lesson, but wag nyong gamitin yon para maging excuse, para maging stuck kayo sa sitwasyon. So, you have to move forward and, choose healing. Okay? And choose joy, choose happiness, di ba? Okay, so sige. So ano bang kaganapan or magiging kaganapan for this week para sa lahat ng Aries? Okay? So, nabasa ko na rin to, pero again, nabasa ko lang quickly. Oops. Okay. Second card. Page of Swords. The Fool. The Empress. Okay. The Hermit. I'll pull 8 cards for this. The Lovers. Justice. 10 of Pentacles. The last card would be 3 of Wands. Okay. Ganda ng cards ha. Ang dami yung major arcana for this week. So, okay, sige, simulan natin. So nag-start ang reading sa Page of Swords and nag-end siya sa 3 of Wands. Okay. And there's a strong energy of Aries. Okay. Virgo. Okay. and strong energy of Taurus and Gemini, okay, and Libra. Okay, saka Aquarius. So, pwedeng yung person ninyo ay isa sa mga nabanggit kong zodiac signs, but di naman necessary. Yun lang yung mga energies na strong sa reading na to. Okay? Alright. So, nagsimula siya sa Page of Swords. So, Page of Swords is a card of curiosity, diba? And communication. So, this week, okay, may communication na hindi nyo in-expect. Okay, na darating sa inyo. Pwedeng from someone new or someone from the past. Okay? And it will lead to a new beginning between the two of you. So if it's from the past, okay, it will lead to a new beginning. Pero if hindi naman, if it's a new person, so it will allow you to start anew with this person. And this person has this very nourishing and nurturing, pwede rin nourishing, nurturing trait when it comes to showing his or her love. Okay, so ma-feel mo dito na maalaga tong person na to. And ipapakita niya through act of service and maybe time, and pwede rin yung other love languages, but very very nurturing talaga yung energy niya. Okay? However, I can sense na may nangyari in the past sa'yo that would allow you to pause a bit and would want some space muna para mag-isip, para pag-isipan at pagnilay-nilayan ang mga pangyayari once ma-receive mo tong unexpected communication from this person. Pero, sinasabi dito na there's love. There's really love coming. And kasi lumabas yung The Lovers eh. So, yung communication na to would lead to something really, the communication is on the romantic end. And it will lead to something, alam mo yun, na magpapakilig sa'yo this week. Okay? Ang saya naman. Alright. And since lumabas si Justice card, there will be harmony and some sort of lalo na if it's a past person, this person will take accountability. Kaya siya magre-reach out sa'yo. Okay? Something in the past that happened, if there is an issue between the two of you, mag-reach out itong person na to, and he or she will take accountability dun sa mga kaganapan. And ikaw din, of course, if someone takes accountability, hindi lang naman always one-sided yun. So, look, kaya time for you also to reflect. So, tama yan na magkaroon ka ng space then to think ano rin yung naging role mo dun sa nangyari sa nakaraan. Or if it is a new person, okay, there will be balance or harmony between yung, alam mo yun, yung sa pagdating sa love na mararanasan mo this week. Okay? And Ten of Pentacles is a card of stability and settling down. Okay, so na-feel ko dito that after all this, yung space na kailangan mo and na-realize mo na, okay, this is love. Alright? You will have this sense of stability, okay? Na hindi na siya magiging parang shaky na feeling na, alam mo yun, yung may mga pag-aalinlangan pa, ganyan. So, everything will fall into place. Okay? And, sinasabi din dito, kasi, Three of Wands is a card of freedom and romance, di ba? So, babalik yung romance between the two of you. Okay? If it's a past person and if it's a new person, so there will be some adventure when it comes to the romantic aspect of your life pagdating sa romance. Okay? So, papakiligin ka ng tao na to. And, feeling ko, ayan, may something, there's a surprise for you this week of Valentine. So, ba't ako kinikilig? Kinikilig ako para sa inyo. Kasi, maganda itong reading nito. And kung babalikan naman natin itong oracle card, di ba? Lahat nga tayo may mga pagsubok na pagdadaanan, not just in love, but in other aspects of our life. But ang important is that we choose to move on and heal, and hindi tayo magpaka-victim or maging stuck dun sa past situation. Okay? So, let's see what's the advice from the universe. Alright? So, sud ka lang para mas makita ninyo. Itong 8 card spread for this week. Ayan. So, nabalasa ko na rin to, but balasa ko lang ulit and let's see ano ba yung advice ni universe para sa lahat ng Aries. Okay, for this week, cut ko lang. Okay, second card. Faith. Okay. Ayan. Nice. So, have faith na everything will work out and everything will fall into place. Okay? Because it will. Okay? So, there's love here. There's so much love in this connection, and there will be accountability, and sa both ends, sa iyo at sa kanya, and yung maging stable yung romantic relationship ninyong dalawa. Okay? And maniwala ka lang that this will happen because you are guided naman by the universe. Okay? So, that would be your weekly love reading ngayong linggo ng mga puso. So, sana nag-resonate sa inyo itong reading na to. And kita-kits muli tayo sa susunod pang collective reading para sa inyo, mga Aries. So, okay, ako nga pala muli si Mystico Moreno, and maraming salamat. Ingat!